Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro with RC is nothing short of a marvel in the world of aerial photography and videography. From the moment you unbox this flagship drone, the quality and attention to detail are apparent. Its sleek design not only looks impressive but also enhances aerodynamics, resulting in stable flights even in challenging conditions. Equipped with a groundbreaking triple camera system, the Mavic 3 Pro offers unparalleled versatility. The primary 4/3 CMOS sensor captures stunning 20MP stills in 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. The color science is exceptional, producing vibrant and accurate hues that are a dream for any content creator. Additionally, the telephoto and wide-angle lenses expand creative possibilities, allowing for varied perspectives without the need for multiple drones. The flight time of up to 46 minutes is a game-changer, enabling longer shooting sessions without the frequent need to land and recharge. The intelligent flight modes, including master shots and focus track, make it incredibly user-friendly, even for those new to drone flying. The smart return-to-home feature ensures safety, providing peace of mind when flying at a distance. The RC controller enhances the overall experience, featuring a built-in screen that provides a clear view of the drone's live feed, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The controls are responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and capture stunning shots. In terms of connectivity, the O3 Plus transmission system ensures a stable and reliable connection over long distances, reaching up to 15 kilometers. This allows for more exploration without worrying about losing signal. While the price point is on the higher side, the performance and features justify the investment. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is not just a drone, it's a tool for artists and professionals who demand the best. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intricate details, this drone delivers exceptional results that elevate your creative projects. It's truly a must-have for serious enthusiasts and professionals alike.